welcome to Buttery Kitchen, where even if you are not a seasoned chef, by the time you watch all my videos, you'll be cooking like a good chef, seasoned chef in your own kitchen. Alright, those that have not been with me before, these are the people that are new to my channel, welcome. And the ones that have been watching my videos for a while too, welcome as well. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be featuring seared scallops. Now, the scallops are part of the mollusk family. Like oysters, they are in the shell, and you have to open the shell to extract them. After it's extracted, you see some thin white threads on the side. Those are the legs. You need to remove them because they tend to be tough. This one has been removed, so we'll wash it thoroughly and we'll pat it dry. But with paper towel, we're gonna pat it dry again. You need to pat it dry because it tends to retain moisture. Pat it real dry. After you pat it dry, we're gonna season it with our world-famous seafood seasoning, which is this Gulf dust. The Gulf dust is our seasoning that we use on all our seafoods. You can also use it on anything. It go well on everything. So I got some over here. We have some butter and olive oil that we use to sear the scallops. So let's go and sear it. On one side, we're going to put the seasoning on one side liberally, not a whole lot. The seasoning has everything in there, so you season your product real well. Now we're going to turn on the stove. Now the scallops, you can cook it, finish cooking it on the stove, or you can sear both sides, get a good sear on both sides, and finish in the oven when they are thick. Now these ones are not thick, they are your small size. So we're gonna try and finish it all on the stove. So we turn on the stove. Okay, now well, our skillet is hot enough. It's about 360 degrees, medium high. So we put in some olive oil. Just about 2 tablespoons. Hey. Oh, there has some water in it. We got that little big spot over here. It must have had some water in it. I thought I'd clean it. And then put about half a tablespoon to go along with that. This butter will give it an extra flavor. And also, if you use the butter by itself, it might burn a little bit, but with the olive oil, it will help it stabilize it. So we put the seasoned side down. Put the seasoned side down. And when you put it in, don't touch it. Let it build up some mild. Okay. In this case, we want it to sear on that side. Alright, so now we'll season the other side. Remember, we put the seasoning side down, so now we'll season the side. Put a little bit. You don't need to put too much seafood. You don't have to season it too heavily because it's very, very delicate. It doesn't need a lot of seasoning. So this will do it. You leave it, you let it go at least about 4-5 minutes on each side. Let's see. I think, yeah, we got some caramelization on that side. So we'll flip it Okay. All right. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Hit the notification button and give us a thumbs up if you like it. This is very simple, very quick meal to prepare. You can use this for appetizer. Okay, now as I said, this doesn't take long. So let's check it and see the other side. It's got to go a little bit longer. A little bit. About 2 more minutes, it should be done. And like I said, you can use this as an appetizer or use it as a main course with some side dishes. Now, it's something that cooks fast. If it's thick, you finish in the oven about maybe 5-6 minutes in the oven. But we chose to finish it on the stove because it's very it's small size. It's not even your average size. This is small. So we're gonna finish it on the stove. You can flip it on this side. If it's a side that you can cook on all 4 sides, you can do it as well. All right, I think we are there. It should be done now. We'll switch it off. And then put it on our plate. I'll remove the small ones first. Then we're done. Very, very flavorful. This thing is very tasty. And the aroma in here is amazing. It smells so good. It smells so good. Make my mouth water right now. Can't wait to dig in. Wow. And the gold dust seasoning brings out all that flavor. You may think that you are in a fine dining restaurant if you are standing here right now. The aroma that is given out is amazing. Wow, look at that. Let's look at how beautiful it is. As I've said, with this seared scallop, you can use it as an appetizer or you can use it for main course. Now here I chose to go along with some salad. So I'm gonna put a little bit, few of them here, and then have a nice dinner. I'm going with a light dinner. And it's amazing. It's scrumptious. And just check it out. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful. So beautiful. Look at how nice. This is a finished product. So let's put a little bit chopped parsley. Garnish it with a little bit chopped parsley, and then we check it out. Let's see what we got. Very quick meal. It didn't take that long at all. This is very good. Amazing. Such a quick and easy meal, and the outcome, the way it tastes, is amazing. Give me a little salad with that. Wow. Friends, if you want to impress your guests, there's a way to go. Very simple and easy. You saw it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our shows. Thank you.